Elliot, good morning. Elliot, can we play? Okay, utusan kita ulit. Play, not pray. Okay. Utusan kita ulit ha. Elliot, can you give mommy JJ? Where's JJ? The stuffy, yeah. Thank you. Elliot, can you give mommy your milk? Where's your milk? Where's your milk? Can you give it to mommy? Thank you. Eliar, can you give me my water? My tumbler. Where's mommy's water? Can you give it to me, please? I'm gonna drink. Can you give it to mommy? Thank you so much. No, later I'll give you water. Okay, Eliar, you have two phones? Where are your phones? Wow, you have two phones? You give one to mommy. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Eliar. Oh no. Oh no, Eliar. Can you say mama? Come on, you say mama. What? Again, mama. Can you say papa? Oh no. What is that? What is that? No, don't put it in your mouth. It's dirty. Okay. Say bye. Say bye na to the video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bella. Bye. Oh, no.